students. Today we will start chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is Formulas and Functions. Let us start. Students, whenever you have to perform calculations, then you use Excel. What you use? Excel. Excel is the part of, or you can say it is an application of Microsoft Office Suite. Microsoft Office Suite. So you can call it Microsoft Excel or simply Excel. So one of the important feature of Excel is its ability to perform calculations either using a formula or a function. So when you have to perform calculations in computer, then you use Excel. And how you perform calculation? Using formula or function. So students, in this chapter we will learn about basics of formulas and functions. So what do you mean by formulas? Formulas are the user defined instructions. Formulas are the user defined instructions to perform calculations. Formulas are the user defined instructions to perform calculations. So what do you mean by function? Functions are the predefined or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. So formulas को कौन बनाता है? User defined instructions means आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग फॉर्मूलास बना सकते हैं कैलकुलेशंस को परफॉर्म करने के लिए. एंड फंक्शंस हमारे प्री डिफाइंड भी होते हैं एंड इनबिल्ट भी होते हैं. सो फॉर्मूलाज आर दी यूजर डिफाइंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशंस एंड फंक्शंस आर दी प्री डिफाइंड और इनबिल्ट फॉर्मूलाज. ओके. So formulas are used in Excel to perform calculations. Including addition, subtraction, division, multiplications. If you want any type of calculation, then you use formula. So a formula must begin with an equal to symbol. Students, please note, formula always begin with equal to symbol and it is followed by cell references and operators. So formula begin with equal to symbol and it is followed by cell references and operators. So let us understand what is the meaning of references, operators, constants, functions. So what do you mean by reference? A cell, or you can say a range of cells that you want to include in your calculation. A cell or a range of cells that you include in your calculation is called as references. So what is operators? symbols like plus, minus, multiply, exponent, percentage, dollar, hash, or there are many symbols, and the symbols that specify the operation to be performed is known as operators. These all are operators. What do you mean by constant? Number or text values that do not change. The values that do not change. If you make numbers as a constant, then numbers are also constant, text values are also constant. If you make it constant and the values do not change. Next is functions. Predefined formulas in Excel. Predefined formula in Excel is called as function. Predefined means जो पहले से बनाए गए formulas हैं, जो पहले से आपको available है formulas Excel के अंदर, उसे हम function बोलते हैं. And constant जो values हमारी change नहीं होती उसे हम constant बोलते हैं. And operator like these symbols and references means a cell or a range of cells that you want to include in your calculation. So in this diagram, if you see, this is a formula, and formula always begin with equal to symbol. And what is the constant value here? Like this 5. Okay, this 5 is constant in this formula. You don't change this value. And this plus, multiply, minus, these are operators. Which operators? Mathematical operators. Plus, star means multiply, minus, these are mathematical operators. Students, sum, this is a predefined formula and it is known as function. Sum means if you want to make total values, then sum is used, and sum is here is a function because it is a predefined function. This is the range. E3 to E5 means this is a range, and these A2, B2, E3, E5 are known as cell address. This is known as cell address.